In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Copilot to your desktop and taskbar without installing a full app. If you want quick, reliable access to Copilot on Windows 10 or 11, the easiest route is to turn the Copilot website into a lightweight app using Microsoft Edge. This gives you a near-native experience in its own window, with a clean icon you can pin for one-click access. I'll also show a simple alternative for creating a standard desktop shortcut if you prefer something even lighter. First, let's create a progressive web app with Microsoft Edge. Open Edge and go to copilot.microsoft.com. Once the page loads, click the three dots in the top right corner of Edge. From the menu, go to Apps, then choose Install this site as an app. When the prompt appears, give it a friendly name like Copilot. I recommend keeping Open as window selected so it runs in its own distraction-free window, not a browser tab. Click Install, and Edge will create the app for you. Right away, you'll notice a new Copilot window opens with its own taskbar icon. If you see options to pin to taskbar or pin to start in the install prompt, go ahead and select them. If you don't see that, just right-click the Copilot icon on your taskbar while it's open and choose Pin to Taskbar, so it's always just a click away. You'll also find Copilot in your Start menu and in Edge's App Manager later if you need to tweak settings or uninstall. This method doesn't install a heavy application, it simply wraps the website in a lightweight shell, which is perfect for speed and convenience. If you'd rather stick with a basic shortcut, here's the manual route. Minimize your windows so you can seal the desktop, then right-click an empty area and choose New, then Shortcut. For the location, type https://copilot.microsoft.com and click Next. Name it Copilot, then click Finish. You'll now have a desktop icon that opens Copilot in your default browser. This option is minimal and quick to set up, and it's great if you don't need a separate app window. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Make sure Microsoft Edge is up to date if you don't see the Apps menu. If you ever want to remove the PWA Open Edge, go to the three dots, Apps, then Manage Apps, and uninstall from there. And remember, both methods simply create shortcuts to the web experience, so there's no large app footprint on your system. That's it. You now have fast, tidy access to Copilot right from your desktop and taskbar.